Hello everyone, welcome to MitSna. Koi mamangi video da nutrition se karino aduga plants na nutrition kamaina tawe habagi matang da nai zakre. Adunga sigi topics na nutrition in animals. Animals na nutrition kamaina tawe habagi matang da nai zagani. Animals haiba kanda miyam diverse oikre makhal mathe mayam malaikre hadi unicellular dagi hawraga multicellular for lowest level dagi highest level fawba yam laikre aduda nutrition se unicellular organism dadi kamain tabi moigi di single cell na saba body ni na moigi tongan ba digestive system organ leite aduna kamaina tawe haragadi akhoi for example amoeba da kamain tawe hardi amoeba haba single cell body se mass se protozoa ni ko the magi cell body se magi membrane se yamna flexible kinum dynamic oi ba haitare manak nakpada food like bakan sida moigi sense tauba manak nakpada food layer habagi sense tau kan sida moigi cell membrane sidagi finger like projection na pseudopodia kaweko si form tawraga food se engulf tawraga food vacuole ama temporary food vacuole ama semaga food vacuole dugi manungda hojiki hydrolytic enzyme sing tawraga food se digest tawraga cytoplasm da absorb tawba aduga magi undigested materials na amok exocytosis tawraga thadore ko the nutrition in amoeba da kai hage da amoeba ingests food by phagocytosis using its pseudopodia magi membrane khutona magi finger like projection la adubune pseudopodia haise aduga it forms pseudopodia and engulf the food and form a temporary food vacuole the kausalaga food vacuole to same aduga food is digested in the food vacuole by digestive enzyme food vacuole manungduda digestive enzyme sing tawraga food se digest tawre aduga digest tawraba food tuna cytoplasm da diffusion tawraga absorb tawkhre aduga assimilate tawkhrani aduga undigested materials duna exocytosis tawraga cell gi mapanda hondoreba adu sina amoeba gi case laikre adu amoeba nataba single cell di oiba aduga magi shape size change tawba ngamdaba organism for example paramecium dadi kamain tawe haragadi paramecium dadi magi body se cell body se sigi outer side sidane hair like projection tiny oiba hair like projection mayam ma leiba samgi tapta adu sigi singsina cilia ka weba ko adu masina manak nakpada foot layer kansida foot layer habagi sense like kansida magi cilia singsina rowing like movement tawraga hadi foot se magi oral group tamna honjalleba adu honjalaga oral group ta magi mouth pore lay mouth pore duda food se ingest tawrani aduga masu single cell organism ni digestive system laite aduna magi su digestion di food vacuole tawrani aduga cytoplasm da ngasai adum absorb tawrani adu assimilate tawrani aduga undigested materials sing duna magi anal for hana malaye aduda thadora ani nutrition in paramecium. Paramecium uses its hair-like projection called cilia to sweep the food particles towards its mouth pore. The mouth pore in the oral group ingests the food. The food is digested in the food vacuoles and absorbed into the cytoplasm where it is being used as source of energy. Aduga undigested materials in the anal pore through the thadora aniba. Adu nutrition in higher animals the combined away. For example, human the nutrition combined away. Human ki di well defined digestive system lay. Digestive system harakanda keke yawe harakanda alimentary canal or gastrointestinal tract hana sukawe. Alimentary tract ka digestive gland ga punsalaga human digestive system the oidiniba. Alimentary canal haidikaino hakanda. It's a long continuous hollow tube with variable diameter at different regions that extend from mouth to anus. Hoziki alimentary canal se asangba tube neba hadi tube ta karamba tube haikanda mafam gi matung ina magi diameter se khenaba. For example, mouth throat में the esophagus की diameter का चखाव की diameter का खेननी small intestine की diameter का खेननी सुमाइना तब सिगी mouth to anus फावगी tract से सिबनेबा alimentary canal नत्रगा gastrointestinal tract हाना खंगनाय से सिगी मनुंगदा सिगी lumen सिदने अखोई digestion की process से पांथोक तुइसे ꯑꯗꯨꯒ digestive glands ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ digestive glands ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ exocrine glands ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ salivary glands ꯀꯨꯝꯕ gastric glands ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ liver pancreas ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ digestive glands ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦꯀꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ digestion ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ digestive juice enzyme ꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒ digestionꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ The steps, basic steps in digestion ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ingestion ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯛ ꯆꯥꯁꯟꯕꯗꯣ food ingest ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯣ food intake ꯑꯗꯣ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯤꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ingestion ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ mouth ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ salivaꯒ mix ꯇꯧꯔꯒ bolus ꯑꯃ form ꯇꯧꯏ bolusꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ easy to swallow ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ digestionꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯤꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯎꯠꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯒꯥꯏꯔꯤꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕꯗꯣ ꯃꯆꯥꯗ ꯃꯀꯨꯞ ꯁꯥꯏꯒꯥꯏꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯑꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯅꯕ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯥꯎꯠꯇ salivary glandsꯁꯤꯅ saliva ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦ salivasꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ water ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ lysozyme ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ salivary amylase ꯍꯥꯏꯕ enzyme ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ lysozyme ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ antibacterialꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇ ꯃꯍꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ salivary amylase ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ carbohydrateꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯣ digest ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ almost 30% of carbohydrate ꯃꯥꯎꯠꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ digest ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ partially digested foodꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯈꯥꯎ ꯇꯝꯅ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ esophagus ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ movement web like contraction movement peristalsis ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯍꯟꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯨꯝꯒꯤꯗꯧꯕ web like contraction movement ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯈꯥꯎ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ stomachꯇꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ stomachꯇꯗꯤ gastric glands ꯂꯩꯌꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ gastric ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒ related ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ gastric glands ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ gastric juice ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯦ gastric juice ꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ mucus ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ hydrochloric acid ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ protein digesting enzyme pepsinogen ꯀꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ enzymeꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯗ prefixꯇ pro ꯇꯞꯄꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ suffixꯇ zen ꯇꯞꯄꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ enzymeꯗꯣ inactive ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ inactive ꯑꯣꯏꯕ enzyme ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ function ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ activate ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ hydrochloric acidꯅ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ hydrochloric acid ꯌꯥꯝ highly acidic ꯑꯣꯏꯕ acidꯅꯤꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯍꯤꯛ ꯃꯇꯥꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯅꯦ acidic environment ꯑꯃ create ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ inactive ꯑꯣꯏꯕ pepsinogenꯗꯣ pepsin active ꯑꯣꯏꯕ pepsinꯗ convert ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ pepsinꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ bolusꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯤꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯗꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯀꯁꯀꯤ ꯃꯊꯧꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ hydrochloric acidꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ highly acidic ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ inner liningꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯆꯥꯊꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯃ꯭ꯌꯨꯀꯁꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯂꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯣꯝ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯌꯔ ꯃꯊꯛꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯛ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯁꯤꯑꯦꯜꯒ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯌꯔꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ peristalsis movement web like contraction movement ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ partially digested food ꯁꯤꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ digestive juice ꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯒꯅꯦ mix ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯣꯈꯥꯏꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ movement ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯅ churning of food ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ small intestine ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯔ digest ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ small intestineꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ small intestineꯗ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ small intestine ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ partially digested productꯁꯦ chyme ꯀꯧꯋꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ small intestineꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ small intestineꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯇꯩ glands ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ secretion ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ for example liverꯗꯒꯤ bile juice ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ bile salts ꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯆꯥꯏꯝꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯤ highly acidic environment ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯆꯥꯏꯝꯁꯦ acidic ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ acidic ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯆꯥꯏꯝꯁꯦ small intestineꯗ further digest ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ alkaline medium ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ bile juice bile salt ꯁꯤꯅꯅꯦ ꯆꯈꯥꯎꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ hojiki time do digest tawnabagidamakta small intestine sida alkaline medium ama create taweba. Aduna natana magi atay function di emulsification of fats. Emulsification of fats hargadi fat se small droplets da thugaiba. Adu already magi digest tawbagi enzyme ga react tawbagi surface area do hengatledana adudi digestion do hena easy oredana. Aduga pancreas tagi pancreatic juice thadorakani. Pancreatic juice ta kay yauni protease protein digesting enzyme, fat digesting enzyme, aduga carbohydrate digesting enzyme loin yauni ba. Aduga trypsin haise pancreas na thadorapa protein digesting enzyme ne sina protein se amino acid ta digest tawrani. Amino acid na building blocks of protein haidana aduna smallest form da digest tawrani. Aduga lipase na fat se fatty acids and glycerol da digest tawrani. Aduga amylase na carbohydrate se glucose da sumaya digest tawrani. Aduga intestine masagisu small intestine masagisu magi wall dagi juice thadoreba ko succus entericus haina su kowe. Adu sida kay yawe hadi carbonate ions kumba ions kara yawe ions singina kay mating pange ngasagi alkaline medium create tawbada aduda mating pange aduda natana magi su lipase amylase protease nucleus loin yawe ko sisina fat carbohydrate protein nucleic acid si digest tawbada mating pange ba. Adu nutrition digestion se kano da small intestine da complete orani aduga small intestine da absorption su taweba digestion gi next step ti absorption nidana. Aduna absorption tawbase small intestine da absorb tawbase small intestine gi wall se haidi khara kano tawe finger like projection khara lay yam lay billas tawe singular da aduga billy plural da. Adu si billy singina kaidawe ha kanda absorption gi surface area se chawhale haidi hena wall do smooth oragadi magi absorb tawnabagi surface area do yamaroidana aduna tapna absorb tawranidana adu khara thuna absorb tawnabagi damakta absorption do efficient oinabagi damakta hojiki bilai sina mateng pangeba adukanda. The bilai sida kay yawe magi manung sida blood vessels capillaries blood capillaries aduga lymph vessels ki lymph capillaries lacteal singsiga connect awe ado sida absorption tawi kanja. For example glucose kumbadi passively blood ta adum diffuse tawkrani ado fats kumbadi sumaina blood ta direct diffuse tawba ngamde moidi chylomicrons miscellaneous maga form tawraga lacteal sida lymph vessels sida lymph capillaries sida absorb tawgidoineba. Aduga absorption gi matungda assimilation haidi ngasai so adum mamangda su pankre hojiki absorb tawkraba small intestine dagi absorb tawkraba singse hojiki nutrients singse blood vessels aduga lymph vessels ta yawkrani dana adu si sina circulate tawraga magi is an every cells ta energy production oiro adagi biosynthesis oiro sigi damakta sijinabada adugune assimilation haise. Aduga last step na digestion asina large intestine dagi tawraniba. Digestion haidi tumdaba singdo mapanda thadokpanidana adu large intestine dadi amuhana digestion di tawraroi adubu aduda undigested products da yawba water singdo reabsorb tawhorani aduga undigested products di fecal matter aina mapanda thadokraniba. Sine ngasigi nutrition in animals ki matangda aduga aina self assessment quiz khara pizari si adum answer do comment section da pibiramo. Thank you for watching. Adu akhoi mathang makha atay topic sing adum mathangi video da nainazakini next video deep breathing and respiration orani. Thank you.